Destination Poland. See for yourself. Welcome to a land of breathtaking landscapes and majestic mountains. Explore labyrinth canyons and rushing creeks. From the south to the north and from the east to the west, you will find majestic scenery everywhere. Breathe the clean air and feast your eyes on treasures of Polish nature. Follow the long and mighty rivers. Sail on 1,000 lakes. Explore the beauty of the Polish countryside. Feel the fresh breeze of the Baltic Sea. Wander unique sandy beaches that you'll never forget. See a country blessed by nature with the most beautiful gifts. Destination Poland. Visit to believe.